We are done with all the hard work. Let's move on to something fun. We have repainted the entire room, freshened it up. It was a little bit blah, a little bit bland, and it had no character, no personality for sweet little Miss Hadley. We've added this crescent moon mural in a fresh baby pink. We are going to bring in this lovely, comfy, cozy faux fur rug. It's from Kroma Carpets. Kroma Carpets makes this series of different shapes and beautiful colors, and they are machine washable. We love that because you can throw it in the washing machine to keep it clean and safe and healthy for baby while they're kind of crawling around, or anyone else on the floor. We're gonna drape in this felt garland. I love this felt garland. And we're gonna just put that right over the crib. I've also got some personalization. I always like to have something in the room that's personalized. And we've got this Love Found takes your birth stats and makes these beautiful little wall hangings. Super sweet and simple. And I got a little H for Hadley. I'm not sure we're gonna put that yet. I'm just gonna drape this ball of garland. I like having a little bit asymmetrical. There's one side a little higher. So once you have it up, you can go back in and perfect all the little spacings for the felt balls. It's definitely too low for the crib. You don't want to have anything in their reach that they could pull down. This could, that could be dangerous. So we're gonna definitely lift it up way out of reach. So this little piece I got here from the decor shop doesn't have any way to hang it, and I want to put it on the wall. So again, I'm going to go and use my handy dandy command strips. They're super strong. I would only need like one to hang this, but just to make sure it's up there, it's not going to fall down, I'm going to put two. And it says one side is for the wall and one side is for the item. I have just a little bit of the tab kind of poking out the side, so you can have something to pull it down with to change it up. Make sure you put the wall side up and the other side on the actual item. Again, we're gonna just stick that so there's a little bit of a tab. We don't see too much, so it can be pulled down. We're gonna really make that nice and tight. Make sure you press on them. It says to hold them down for like 30 or 60 seconds. How cute is that simple garland? So this garland here was custom designed, meaning I got to choose my own colors. We had this beautiful Pehr design crib bedding, and I sent her a picture of it, and the designer just chose some colors that matched, and that way it sort of works really well. Okay folks, that's a wrap. I have finished adding functionality and style to this nursery, and I am ready to relax and put my feet up. Okay guys, that's it. I'm finished. I have added tons of functionality to this nursery. Baby number 2, it's gone from blah to Babylicious, and we've added lots of custom decor. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell icon in the upper right hand corner to get notified when we have new videos for DIY projects, design advice, and of course, room reveals.